Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid and I welcome you all to my channel Tahlim for Everyone. In this video, we are going to cover question number 3 of exercise 3A, and it's from chapter number 3, Approximation and Estimation, and chapter number 3 is taken from New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 or D1. So here, if you are using this textbook, so you may find this exercise and question on page 62, and this question 3 is from intermediate level. So let's read out the statement of question number 3, and it is stated that the dimensions of a rectangular plot of land are 28.3 meter by 53.7 meter. Okay, so if you see over here, जो plot है, land है, that is of rectangular shape. So rectangular plot, its dimensions are given, means length are given, that is 53.7 meter, and breadth are given, that is 28.3 meter. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the parameter of the land and correct it to the nearest 10 meter. Then you have to find in part 2 the area of grass needed to fill up the entire plot of land, correct to the nearest 100 meter. Okay, parameter means you have to just add all the dimensions together, that is parameter. Here we will use the formula of parameter of rectangle because this plot is of rectangular shape, and then area of grass needed to fill up. Area means space occupied by any shape. So here जो space occupy की जाएगी वो grass occupy करेगी in the form of rectangle. So area of rectangle or rectangular plot would be length into breadth. So let's solve. So here the parameter of the land corrected to the nearest 10 meter. So data is length 53.7 meter, breadth is 28.3 meter. Parameter we have to find. Now formula to find parameter of rectangular plot is L plus L plus B plus B. Either you may use this or by using this 2L plus 2B. So just put all the value in the formula. 53.7 meter plus 53.7 meter plus 28.3 meter plus 28.3 meter. So when you add all of these, so you will get 164.0. Remember one thing, point के बाद अगर सिर्फ और सिर्फ 0 हो and आगे कोई भी value ना हो तो उस वक्त 0 की कोई worth नहीं होती. You may simply ignore that 0. So here you get 164 meter as a parameter of rectangular plot. Okay, so here the answer is not final because we have to correct this value to the nearest 10 meters. So now correct 164 meter to the nearest 10 meter. You may use any one method, either with the help of number line or by using unit 10, 100 and then underline any digit and circle any value, any digit. Okay, so मैं यहाँ पे दोनों method use कर लूँगी for you. So 164 to the nearest 10 meter. So just if you see this number line, मैंने ज़्यादा mention नहीं किया है यहाँ पे, just start किया 160 से, if you consider this 160 and end on 170. Okay, simply मैंने यहाँ पे जो है 164 यहाँ पे point out कर दिया. Okay, fine. या अगर आप लोग समझें सिंपल मैं एक चीज करती हूँ 165. So it's 160, 165 and it's 170. All right, here it's a number line and 164 is just before 165. Okay, here it is. So if you see this, so 164 is almost nearest to 160, okay, as compared to 170. So 164, therefore you can say that 164 is rounded down to 160. So parameter of rectangular plot or parameter of the land is 160 meter. If you are confusing in this method, so you may use that method. So मैं यहाँ पे वो use कर लेती हूँ method 164. I'm going to assign its values, places like unit, 10, 100. You have to correct this value to the 10 meter, okay, nearest 10 meter. So just underline the value which is at 10th place. And now जो उससे पहले जो वैल्यू है राइट हैंड साइड पे उसको आपने सर्कल कर लेना है, मींस दैट जो यूनिट प्लेस पे जो वैल्यू होगी उसको आपने सर्कल कर लेना है। ये डिसाइड करेगा कि जो अंडरलाइन वैल्यू है उसमें 1 ऐड होगा या नहीं। सो इफ यू सी दिस, जो यूनिट प्लेस पे हमारे पास जो वैल्यू है दैट इज 4, इट्स लेस देन 5, सो इट मींस दैट वी विल डू नथिंग, जस्ट सिंपली पुट 0 इन प्लेस ऑफ यूनिट। So 0 हमने लिखा, 6 would remain as it is and 1 as it is. So 160 meter. So 164 meter, therefore 164 meter is rounded down to 160 meter. All right. So I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा। आगे चलते हैं and part 2 करते हैं। Here it's part 2 of question number 3. The area of grass needed to fill up the entire plot of land, correct to the nearest 100 meters. So length is 53.7 meter, breadth is 28.3 meter, area we have to find, that is represented by capital A. So formula to find area of rectangular plot is area is equal to length into breadth. So length is 53.7 meter multiplied by 28.3 meter. So you will get 1519.71 meter square. ये मैंने डायरेक्ट कर दिया है। इफ यू आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम, अगर आप लोगों को कैलकुलेटर अलाउ है, यू मे यूज कैलकुलेटर, इफ नॉट देन यू मे जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू वैल्यूज टुगेदर। तो मैं यहाँ पे करके दिखा देती हूँ 53.7 28.3, इन दो वैल्यूज को आपने मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 7 3 जा 21, 2 कैरी, 3 3 जा 9, 10 11, 1 carry, 3 5 is 15, 16. Okay. 7 8 is 56. 5 carry, 8 3 is 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 2 carry, 8 5 is 40, 41, 42. Okay. 7 2 is 14. 1 carry, 3 2 is 6, 7, 2 5 is 10. Okay. 1 as it is, 6 plus 1 is 7, 9, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9, 19, 1 carry, 7 8 9 10 11, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1. Now you have to decide where you have to place decimal. So here only one digit after decimal point, and here is also one digit after decimal point. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So place decimal before 2 digits. So 1519 means 1519.71. So area of rectangular plot is 1519.71 meter square, means 1519.71 meter square. So इस तरीके से हमने solve कर लिया manually if you have to solve. If not, if calculator is allowed, so you may use calculator to solve this value. So multiply these two values. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे erase करने लगी हूँ. Now यहाँ पे this answer is not final because we have to correct this value or round this value to the nearest 100 meter square. So now correct 1519.17 meter square to the nearest 100 meter square. All right. So just consider a number line. If you are facing problem in this, so just remember one thing. It's 1500. You can consider. हम लोग 200 का आई गेस गैप दे लेते हैं. 1500 2020 का 1520 2020 का गैप 1540 1560 1580 1600. ओके फाइन. So 2020 का गैप दिया है, इट्स अ नंबर लाइन starting from 1500, and ending on 1600. So 1500, 1520, 1540, 1560, 1580, 1600. Okay, and if you see 1519.7, that is nearest to 1520. Okay, ये यहाँ पे होगा somehow. Okay, now if you see, this value is nearest to which? Okay, you have to correct this value to the nearest 100 meter. Okay, so 1519.71 meter square is nearest to 1500. So again, you have just rounded down this value to the 1500. Okay, so area of rectangular plot is 1500 meter square. If you are facing this problem in this method, so you may use that method. मैं वो method भी यहाँ पे करके दिखा देती हूँ आप लोगों को. 1519.71. ओके, आपने ना ही इसमें जो है यू हैव टू करेक्ट दिस वैल्यू टू द नियरेस्ट 1 डेसिमल 2 डेसिमल 3 डेसिमल, ना ही आपने जो है यू हैव टू करेक्ट दिस वैल्यू टू द नियरेस्ट होल नंबर. तो डेसिमल के बाद जो भी वैल्यू होंगी वो तो इग्नोर हो जाएंगी टोटली. ओके, यू हैव टू जस्ट वर्क ऑन द डिजिट्स बिफोर डेसिमल पॉइंट. ओके, so mark its position like unit, 10, 100, 1000, and you have to correct this value to the nearest 100. So जो अब now जो 100 पे वाली होगी that will be underline, and जो 10 पे होगी that will be circle. Okay, 10 पे और यूनिट पे जो भी वैल्यूज होंगी that उनकी जगह तो हम 0 लिख लेंगे easily. Now we have to decide कि सर्कल वैल्यू है that is greater than 1, greater than 5, less than 5 and equal to 5, उसकी बेसिस पे जो अंडरलाइन वाली जो वैल्यू होगी उसमें 1 ऐड होगा या नहीं होगा. ओके, so if you see this circle value, it is less than 5, so it means that we will do nothing. तो जो अंडरलाइन वैल्यू है that will be remain as it is, so 1500 meter square. So if you do this method or do this, is same. Okay, answer you would get remains same. So area, final answer of area of rectangular plot is 1500 meter square. So I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. If you have any queries, so you may comment your query anytime. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel Talim for Everyone and hit like button and press bell icon ताकि मेरे आने वाली हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले और बर वक्त मिलती रहे. And don't forget to share my channel with your family and friends. Okay, so thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.